Hi, my name is Riva. We recently thought of buying a new car, and when we started looking for a car, I think Tata Safari won my heart at the first. Then I was very skeptical to buy a black car because we know how difficult it is to manage a black car. Also with all the dust and even a small scratch mark is very visible on a dark car. My husband suggested that we have this paint protection film thing that comes in, which actually protects the car from all the minor scratches. And we got to know that LLumar is one of the best brands for PPF that we have in India. When we checked in Pune, we got to know that Authorised is the authorized LLumar dealer.